What else?
The tables. Well,
The physics book from the chemistry book, right?
Yes.
oh, we got one more.
Okay. Anything else?
You would.
Should be C comma P and P. My fault. Questions about that one? Now, what's the relationship between these two forces? Letting my picture denotes this. They're on the same object.
The color the same.
You fell for it. Force of gravity downward.
Force of.
What else?
Table.
The table's going up.
Okay.
Down.
So we have a table going. On the chemistry book. Right? Does that make sense? Okay. Just make your dot bigger. Alright? Now what's the relationship between these forces?
FPCD plus
So FPC plus
FTC.
F. The force on the force from the table on the chemistry book equals the. Right? Does that make sense? No, this is not theoretical. This is actual. Okay? That lady in the video that said it was theoretical. So we have force of gravity down. Okay. Okay, it's equal to the force the table applies to the chemistry book. Because both the chemistry book and the physics book, right? And the physics book. Right? So this force right here, it has to be the same length as that force right there. Now, chances are, guys, I have plenty of time, I'll stop backing up. Okay? Chances are the table is a little heavier than the two books. Okay.
Wait, so
Why is it what?
CT and 7.
Okay. This is the force of the chemistry book on the table. Okay, remember I said
The ground.
Earth. Okay. There's a force from the earth that's a normal force, right? And how does the force normal relate to these two forces? It's equal to the sum of those two, right?
Yeah.
Now, which forces are third law pairs? And it's not the colors this time, Omar.
FPC and FCT.
Which one?
FPC
FPC
and FCT.
and FCT. Nope.
FG.
FG.
FG and FG.
Well, those all FGs all go with the earth, don't they?
Surely.
We had the earth drawn here? No. The force of gravities are in a third law pair with the force of gravity on the earth from each of these objects. So FGs will not have third law pairs here. Now remember, third law pair is an action-reaction force, right? It's reaction pairs with the table pushing on the chem book.
So it's FTC
Right?
and FCT.
And this is where labeling like this is very useful. Because this is the force of the chemistry book on the table, right?
Yeah.
This is the force of the table on the chemistry book.
Yeah.
If I take the chemistry book off the table, this force goes away, doesn't it?
Sure
Yeah.
does.
And
So does down.
that force goes away.
Okay.
Okay? So, these two forces are in a third law pair. So this one and this one, I'll circle them in the same color.
I know another one.
No, he said CP.
Oh, yeah.
3.
So,
I was gonna say that, and then you said no.
which ones, what other third law pairs do we have here?
FPC and FCT.
FCP and FPC. Any other ones?
I'm not sure after that.
Okay, there are not any other ones. If we drew the Earth, we could get the rest of it. Okay? So, what this means, guys, is if we knew certain masses, and this is something we'll do later, okay? If we knew like the mass of the physics book and the mass of the chemistry book, we could use the relationships down here at the bottom to figure out the normal force applied by the ground on the table. Okay? And we can actually figure out all these forces by using Newton's second law. All right? Are there any questions on time today? Any questions?
No.